When you want to whip up a stylish dessert using sweet, juicy strawberries, give these strawberry shortcake trifles a go. They're super simple to make. First, we need to roast the strawberries. To do this, we need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line a roasting pan with some baking paper. Now I've got some cut strawberries here, just in half, and they've been hulled, and you just line them in a single layer onto your baking tray. And now I'm just sprinkling with 1/4 cup of sugar. And drizzle with 2 tablespoons of amaretto. The almond flavour in this liqueur is delicious with strawberries. You could use a dessert wine or swap it for apple juice if you prefer. All I have to do now is pop them in the oven for 15 minutes for the strawberries to soften. They look really good and they're nice and softened. Set them aside to cool on the tray. If you want to get ahead, you can do this the day before and store the strawberries in an airtight container in the fridge overnight. For the syrup, add more liqueur and caster sugar to a small saucepan and cook over low heat. And I'm just going to keep stirring this until you see that all the sugar's dissolved, and this will take about 5 minutes. What makes this dessert really easy is using a ready-made sponge cake. You want some thin layers, so I'm going to split the cake in half horizontally. When I do it, I just like to take the knife and just run it around the edge, and I'm going to cut through using my lines as a guide. Take a 7cm round cutter and just cut some discs from the sponge. You need 12 for the recipe. For the yoghurt mixture, add strawberry yoghurt and mascarpone to a medium bowl and just give it a stir so it's mixed together. If you find that your mixture's a little bit lumpy, just grab a whisk and whisk it together. You want it nice and smooth. Now I've got the cake discs. I'm just going to brush them with the syrup. Just give them a nice even coating. You don't have to use all the syrup because we're going to use it when layering the trifles. Let's get layering. You need 1/3 of the yoghurt mixture in the first layer, and then you're going to top it with a round of the cake and some strawberries. And then just drizzle with some syrup, another layer of the yoghurt mixture, cake disc, some more strawberries. Press them against the glass slightly just so you can see all the layers. Finish with the yoghurt mixture. And there we have it. All that's left to do is decorate with some strawberries and drizzle with some of that lovely roasted strawberry syrup. These strawberry shortcake trifles are a great way of cooking with strawberries. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more ideas, head to our easy dessert playlist here. We love hearing what you think of our videos, so please hit like and give us your feedback in the comment section below.